Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my new video. Today we will start our discussion again on the next set of the questionnaires for SAP S/4HANA Sales Certification for cloud and on-premise. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe now to remain up to date and to get the notification of the new video guys. And share with your friends so that they can also benefit it from these videos. This question we have already discussed, so I'll quickly recap how we can block a condition record to be used in sales order. So when you create a condition record, you can use the transaction code VK11 or you can go into the change mode and there you will get the functionality to block the condition record or to release the condition record. If it is blocked, it's not released, then those condition record will not get determined at the sales order level guys or at the billing document level. Remember it. If it is blocked, it will not work. It will just remain in the system in the blocked status. Okay. Next is select the correct statements regarding the properties of the material number field in SAP S4HANA. Guys, in SAP S4HANA, SAP has extended the material number from 18 to 40 character. That extension has to be enabled. It can be a character string entered by the user. It can be a consecutive number assigned by the system. Okay. Next is select true or false. The general item category group in the basic data view has the priority over the item category group maintained in the sales org 2 view. Guys, whatever the item category group is maintained in the basic data 1 is not having the priority over the sales view. Okay, remember it. Whatever the detail maintained in the sales views always have the priority, guys. Remember it. Okay. Next is which of the following factor determines the screen sequence and field selection in the material master? Main regulator is material type, guys. Material type regulates many features. There are almost all the control lies at the material type level, guys. Remember. Second is the industry sector. Plant and item category, they play the different role, guys, with respect to the stock and with respect to the how a item should behave in a particular transaction. Next is true and false. The sales organization distribution channel fields are mandatory entries when creating the pricing condition record. Guys, these are not the mandatory fields. When we create the pricing condition record, we can maintain these fields or we can select other field combination. It's not mandatory to have these fields in our condition table. And condition table, guys, it's the sequence of fields. Remember, okay? It is the summation of the fields. We combine different fields and we create a condition table. Next is in SAP S4 HANA, it is not possible to define a new material type. It is very well possible, guys. In SAP ECC also it is possible to create a new material type. We are not talking here for the material master. We are talking about the material type, guys. Okay. It is very well possible to create a new material type in ECC as well as in S4 HANA. Okay. So this statement is not correct. Select false. This is with respect to the sequence. Which sequence determine the delivering plant in the sales document? Guys, remember the correct sequence. First of all, you should be remembering the plant determination. We determine the plant by using, there are three different combinations which takes priority over other. First priority takes the customer material info record. If we have maintained the CMIR, if we have maintained the CMIR, then CMIR will take the priority. The second priority will be taken by the customer master, and third priority will be taken by the material master. If we are talking with respect to SAP S4 HANA, in place of the customer master, examiner can put business partner, because in SAP S4 we are having the business partner as a leading object. So the sequence will be customer material info record, that is the CMIR, then business partner, then material master. Guys, don't get confused if you are not getting the customer master in the option. Okay, read the question twice, read the options thrice, and select the correct answer. When maintaining the condition record in SAP S4 HANA sales, which of the following options are available? This is when maintaining the condition record, guys. We are having the option to select the condition exclusion while maintaining the condition record. We are having the option for the upper and lower limit. Okay. Select true or false. The date on which a sales document is created is the date used to determine the pricing element and cannot be changed manually. Remember, the date on which a sales document is created is the date used to determine the pricing element. Guys, pricing elements doesn't depend on the date. They depend on the condition record. For example, we are having the condition record for the pricing condition type K004. K004 is material discount, and for the K004 we have maintained the discount of 10% for 1 month. So irrespective from the 1st November till 31st November or 30th November, whatever the date is getting changed from 1st to 30th, the amount will remain same, because that we have updated at the master data level. So that amount with respect to the validity date will be intact, guys. Okay. So that doesn't depend on the sales document date on which the sales document is getting created. Remember it. Next is select the fields in the material master record which are maintained at the plant levels. There are some important parameters that we maintain, guys. First is the availability check. Second is the loading group. These two fields we maintain at the material master level, guys. When you go to the material master, you will get the option to put the availability check. You'll get the option to maintain the loading group, guys. Okay. Now third option, sales organization division standard pricing. Sales organization division, we extend the material master, guys. Okay, in case of the division, we are having that option to maintain at the material level but not at the plant level. Question is specifying at the plant level. So if you are just reading the question to maintain at the material master level, and you will be selecting the division. Be careful, guys. Read the question twice or thrice before selecting the correct answer. Okay. Now, which of the following parameter can be controlled in the pricing condition record? Scales, we can enable at the pricing condition record level. We can enable the scales, and maximum number of sales order. When we will discuss the condition update functionality, you would be able to understand how and what is the significance of the maximum number of orders, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Uh, this is how we will summarize today's session. I will see you in my next video, guys, with new set of the questionnaires. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, guys, to remain up to date and to get the notification of the new video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.